Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Just heading to work, doing a morning walk run before I get to work because I'm gonna have to sit in a cubicle all day. So that'll be its own fun challenge. See if I skip McDonald's. So I ate breakfast at home, but I still could go for some McDonald's. I don't actually care for McDonald's, but it's what's on my stop. It's such a nice day out today and yesterday that you really wanted to get out and walk today, even though driving was an option, but I'd rather get back in shape for spring. Probably make some fitness videos here soon and do some actual working out again if the gyms don't close. I also should do a little bit better of a job of meal prepping, but some days I just like to eat McDonald's or work from the vending machine, or food from the work vending machine. But that's not good either. Hope everyone has a good Wednesday. Peace out.